All right, let's bust out a quick one. All right, we got number 83. Remove duplicates from sorted list. Given the head of a sorted linked list, delete all duplicates such that each element appears only once. Return the linked list sorted as well. All right, so this is some good redemption for the. We had a prior one that was remove duplicates from array, and this one should be much easier, at least to make it fast. The thing about the prior one is that you really have to handle an array carefully, because if you do something like delete from an array, then you're having to cause it to shift every single value over by one. So you're iterating through the entire array, whether you know it or not. At least is my understanding of it. So like delete is a really slow operation, but this one we can just go pass through it once. And I think that we should just be able to change the values once in place. So here's my idea, and we'll see if we can make it work. We're gonna take like 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4. Okay, so my idea is basically we iterate through the list, the linked list, and we say, okay, is this one the same as the next one? And if it is, then we change the pointer of this one to point to the next one. And we do that while there is a next one. So for example, we start with 1, we say, okay, is the next one the same? No. Okay, well now this is the new value. Is the next one the same? Yes. Okay, well then the next one is actually the next one. So a linked list is really like, every value is pointing to the next value in the list. So what we can do, if a value is forgotten about, then it's essentially deleted. So for example, right here, we say, okay, now you're no longer pointing to this 2, you're pointing to this 3 right here. And that's essentially deleting it. That's not the best visualization, but I hope you get the idea. Let's make it happen. So, okay, let's see. So let's say current equals head, while current dot next. I think we can say this because none should return false. So while there is a next thing, we're going to say if current dot val equals current next dot val, then current next is actually going to equal current next. Otherwise, current equals current dot next. That should work, honestly. And then just return head, right? I think so. Oh, cool. Let's submit that. None type has no. I hate these edge cases. So here's a quick question. Is it faster to say current and current next? Or could I just have it be current? Nope, okay. So we need to make sure. Okay, that makes sense. Yep. Okay. Oh, yeah, 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 okay, because we could set it to the next, but once we get to the end, then we set current to be current dot next, and we had to check every time because like once we get to the end, it could be current dot next, because what we might like loop through this a bunch of times. Whatever. I don't want to think about it too hard. I got the right answer. Yeah, sometimes okay, but this is funny. This is funny. So it's 13%, but I guarantee you the next one will be faster. What? Really? Why does it get slower every time? I don't know, but you saw it go fast. Okay, done.